Would you like to have access to 16,000 woodworking detailed projects step by step? Then watch this video until the end, because I have great news for you. Hello woodworker, my name is Marco and today, I will tell you all the information about Tedswoodworking. The first thing you need to know about Tedswoodworking is that this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Now, I will introduce you to the product. Imagine building any project you can dream of easily, quickly and hassle-free. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects with already done-for-you plans, with step-by-step blueprints that let you build stunning, professional woodworking projects? With Tedswoodworking you will have step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with instructions that makes building projects super fast and easy. With the simple hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. Tedswoodworking is suitable for beginners and pros. You don't need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use the plans. You'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. The entire collection of plans covers everything from simple crafts to larger, more ambitious furniture and woodshop projects. There is something for everyone. In addition, you get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your money on wrong wood, wrong materials, or the wrong quantity. It saves time and money. You'll spend more time building, with sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. You also get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. You get details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. Another important warning is that you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you for any reason do not like this product, you will get your money back. Tedswoodworking makes these 16,000 projects not only possible but simple. Plus you get free monthly plans for life. Get instant access to 16,000 projects now. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Tedswoodworking actually helps you in your woodworking projects.